The room was excellent, with everything you might need, especially if traveling with family, not my case. But the truth is I could not sleep well.
We had the 1BR apartment with Burj Khalifa view. That means you do not get a room fronting to Sheikh Zayed Street but to a side street. The apartment has a balcony but you can barely use it due to the noise. But if you close the windows you barely hear a noise.
Big rooms, comfortable bed, the dishes were washed by the people who cleaned the room, good value for money, very close to the metro station which we used a lot. They were able to give us a room early in the day, since it was available.
We arrived extremely tired from the airport with 2 young children under 5. The hotel looks amazing but the receptionist, Oriental lady hair tied back, was a bit discourteous. The rest of the staff were polite and friendly.
The balcony was huge and nice and so was the Burj Khalifa view, but unfortunately the hotel as well as other appointments kitchen smell were awful and couldn't stand sitting more than 10 minutes outside. Maybe Sheikh Zayed Road view is better choice if you like to sit outdoor.
The room price was in booking.com €650, plus taxes, but after taxes, and all kind of mandatory services like cleaning, tourism dirhams etc. The final cost was almost €900, plus 30% or more. We recommend that you check the final bill from the hotel.